In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your card.co website. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that your site is both functional and visually appealing by easily connecting it with your social media platforms. Let's begin by heading over to your page. At the top right corner, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Give that icon a click and you'll open up a world of customization options. Once you've done that, look for the option labeled Icons and select it. Now, when you click on it, an icon will magically appear on your page, and you'll immediately notice a Properties tab revealing itself on the left side of your screen. This is your control center for all things related to this icon. Next, focus your attention on the drop-down menu you'll see here, along with an Add button nearby. Now, let's get started with choosing the specific icon you want to add. Say the one for YouTube or any other social media platform. To make this process smoother, instead of manually scrolling through a long list, you can simply type the letter or even the word associated with the desired icon. For example, if you're looking to add a YouTube icon, just type Y or YouTube and watch as the drop-down scrolls down automatically, bringing the closest match right to you. Isn't that convenient? With your icon type selected, it's critical to not forget to input the correct URL that links directly to your social media page. This step ensures that when your site visitors click on the icon, they're taken to the right destination seamlessly. It's a small but vital detail that enhances your website's functionality. If you're looking to add more social media icons, no worries at all. You simply click the Add button again and repeat the same process for each icon you want. Remember that each icon will require the same attention to detail, selecting the correct type from the drop-down and adding the proper URL. As you add these icons, you're creating an interconnected web presence that helps your audience engage with you across multiple platforms. By following these steps, you've unlocked an excellent way to integrate your site with your social media profiles, giving visitors an easy path to engage with you further. This process not only adds value to your online presence, but does so in an aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly manner. So, dive in and start customizing with confidence, knowing you're equipped with the know-how to make your card.co site stand out.